and welcome back to another Parts Factory Australia installation tutorial video. Guys, I'm working on this 2011 to 2018 Hyundai Ascent little hatchback. We are going to be swapping out the interior door handle. Super common, this one. As you already know, that's why you're here. They're extremely brittle plastic, weak, really poor design by Hyundai on their behalf, guys. Now, we do have them available here at Parts Factory, and they are stronger than the OEM ones. So if you are thinking about going OEM for $200+, forget that, come to us. Link's going to be in the description of this video. Click on the title, it'll drop down, order it, get it on its way, use this video, I'll show you how to fit it. Save yourself some money, guys. That's what we're all about here at Parts Factory. If you can, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and without further ado, let's jump into it. Alrighty guys, so in order to get this interior door handle off, unfortunately you've got to pull this door card, but it's not too big of a deal because these Ascents are only held in by 2 screws. Grab a little knife like such. I'll get the cameraman to come and have a look at this. Now I've already undone this screw because we were just doing another video, but this is how you get this open. You just use a little blade like that. This is a Phillips head screw. Same thing down here. You can just poke that little hole with a knife and lever it up like so. Once you've got it kind of started, then you can just use your finger to finish it off. It's a bit strong like that. It's kind of like a door, so you got to reef it open. And then once you've got those 2 screws out, pop this door handle like that. You can pop that surround like such, and then you can grab the door card and you just go like this. Pop, run your hand around the edge, pop, 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 like so. Once it's hanging there, just chilling, you can raise it up in the air, give it a twist, and then you pop it out like that. Then come around the back, plug, unplug. Now take this door card, stick it out of your way. Then you can just come straight here. Obviously yours is going to be snapped here or somewhere along the line she's snapped. So you can just grab a nice Phillips head screwdriver, undo the 1 screw. You can pop this door handle back, flip it upside down, pop, pop, ball bearings out, 1, 2, out with your old door handle, in with your new one. I'll take you over to the bench and I'll show you our Parts Factory one. Alrighty guys, so you've got the brushed silver, like that type, and then you've got our little type here. Let's just flip this the other way. Okay, so this is a 2018 model, and based on what I can see, in 2018, they swapped their method of how the rods connect because, yeah. So if you have a look at this one, our handles are for 11 to 17, and based on what I can see, you pop this little clip in like this, just like so, and same thing here. Pop that little clip in like so, and basically, we've all seen these before. I mean, hopefully most of us have. But basically a little rod pokes through, tucks in, and you pull that clip over and it holds it in place. So ours are for 11 to 17. This is an 18 model. I'm assuming it's going to be very similar, so you can still use this video for both. The only difference is going to be the way that rod connects on. At the end of the day, guys, I'll run you back through both methods. As you can imagine, I'm obviously not going to put this brand new chrome one. By the way, you can take this plastic off, and it looks a lot better. That looks a bit dodgy with the cover on. I'm going to put this one back on. You're going to do the same thing with your new one. Let's go. Alrighty guys, so on your 11 to 17, it's going to look very similar to this, but instead of these big balls, they're going to be like a Z-shaped piece of metal, and that Z-shaped piece of metal is going to work with our other door handle. Of course, at the end of the day, it's the same thing. Now, when you are re-putting all this back together, make sure you establish which one's the lock, which is obviously the top one because you can see it doing that. So what you can do is flip it upside down, work out which way it's twisted, and then you can literally just go handle in, and press and lock in. Oh no, sorry, it's the wrong way. Handle in. It is a bit of a mission doing this, but you will work it out. Handle in and press, lock in and press. And once you've got them in, you can flip it and see how it ends up lining up. And then you just tuck it in, it inserts into this whole back, and you slide it forward like that. You'll actually hear an audible click at that point, as you can imagine, it's ready to go, guys. You're ready to literally just put it straight back together. Nice big Phillips head in there. That's for strength. You want to make sure that's done correct, and then you can bring this plastic trim over and just putting it all back into place. You can bask at your new door handle, hopefully, and other than that, it's time to put your door card back on. I'll show you how to do that. Alrighty, guys, so you've got all your clips. They're all lined up. You've got some blue ones, you've got some yellow ones. Cruise in, you plug in, like so, and it just tucks back in over the top of this little ridge here. You've got your 90-degree angle where my finger is. It just ridges over the top, and it forms like a nice seal. And it's going to drop down into place, and then it's just going to chill out like that. And then around the edges, it's basically just a hit. And then of course you got your Phillips heads, one in here, which you guys didn't get to watch me undo. And then same thing here. This just goes over the top, slides in, pops in nicely, and you can use, once again, Phillips head straight in. Not too tight where you thread it, but not too loose where it wobbles around. Look at that, and then you got the same thing in here. Not too tight where it threads it, but tight enough where it doesn't wobble around. Alrighty, guys, as you can see now, hopefully on your end, you've got your new handles. She's looking good. You're in and out. Bob's your uncle. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching another Parts Factory Australian installation tutorial video. Don't forget, if you do need this part, you know where to find it. And if you can, sub to the channel. It's a great one to have in your tool belt. My name's Lucas. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.